welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums, a free UPSC MCQ series. As part of Prelims Level Up MCQ series, today we are going to discuss 5 MCQs related to math, aptitude and listening. So this is episode number 216 on July 8, 2023. Okay, now without any further delay, let's start the video. But before that, please subscribe to this channel, because on daily basis we are uploading this plum series and lots of free content also. So if you want test series or anything, you can contact this number through WhatsApp, that is 7200681675, and subscribe to our channel, because there are lots of free content which is already uploaded in the channel. So please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's start today's MCQs. MCQ number 1. A rectangular courtyard 4.12 meters long and 3.28 meters wide is to be paved exactly with square tiles, all of the same size. What is the largest size of the tile which could be used for this purpose? In this kind of questions, you have to do HCF or LCM. So in the questions like bells or etc., we generally use LCM, but they are asking here the largest size of the tile which is of the same size, so we have to find the highest common factor, that is HCF. So for finding the HCF, we have to convert 4.12 in terms of centimeters, so that it will be easy to calculate. If you convert 4.12 and 3.28 into centimeters, so 1 meter is 100 centimeters, so 4.12 into 100 is 412, 3.28 into 100 is equal to 328. So if you find the HCF of this, you will get it as 4 centimeters. So 4 centimeters is the answer. So answer is in the option number B. So the 4 centimeters is the largest size of the tile which could be used for this purpose. So option B is the correct answer for MCQ number 1. Now let's find MCQ number 2. Ashish, Amir and Anshul invested rupees 18,000, 24,000 and 8,000 respectively in a business. Amir left after 6 months. If after 8 months there was a gain of 4,400, then what will be the share of the Anshul? In this kind of questions where we have to find the profit, we have to actually find the ratio of their investment into time. Okay. So if you find this ratio of the investment in time, whatever the ratio, the resultant ratio which we get is nothing but the ratio through which the profits will be distributed. So if you calculate Ashish, Amir and Anshul, they have invested 18,000, 24,000 and 8,000. Ashish and Anshul have worked for 8 months and Amir have only worked for 6 months. So we have multiplied into 6 over here. So if you calculate this equation, you will get the ratio as 9:9:4. Okay. So the profits also will be distributed in this form, 9:9:4. If the total profit is nothing but 4,400 as per the question, into we have to find the share of the Anshul. We have to find the share of the Anshul. So Anshul ratio is 4. 4 by total ratio is nothing but 9 plus 9 plus 4, that is 22. So if you find this, 11 2s are 11 4s are. Okay. 2 1s are 2 2s are. 200 into 4, that is 800. So 800 is the correct answer for MCQ number 2, that is option A is the correct answer. Now let's find MCQ number 3. A man can row upstream at 8 km per hour and downstream at 12 km per hour. Find man's rate in still water and rate of the current. So if the V and U are the velocities, okay, let's take V and U as the velocities of them. So if they travel downstream, what will be the resultant? V minus U. If they travel upstream, it will be V plus U. So V minus U is given as 8 km/h, V plus U is given as 12 km/h. So if you find this equation, so let's take here V minus U. So the speed of the man and the speed of the current is nothing but U and V as per our consideration. So U plus V as per the question is nothing but downstream they have given it as 12 km/h. So U plus V, this is the formula for downstream. For the upstream, the formula is U minus V. Okay, if you as per the question they have given it as 8 km/h. If you calculate this values, you will get the resultant value. So let's calculate now. U minus V is nothing but 8 km/h. U plus V is nothing but, as per the given data, it's 12 km/h. So if you find this, V minus V plus V gets cancelled. 2U is equal to 12 plus 8 is nothing but 20. U is nothing but 10 km/h. Again, if you substitute U in this equation, the resultant will be, if you substitute U here, 10 minus V is nothing but 8. Okay, 10 minus 8 is equal to V, that is nothing but 2 km per hour. So U and V value are 10 and 2. So 10 and 2, wherever the option is there as 10 and 2, that is the answer. So it is there in the option number B. So option number B is the correct answer for MCQ number 3. Now let's find out MCQ number 4. Today is the 16th April. Mohit correctly remembers that his father's birthday is not after 18th of April. So according to Mohit, his father's birthday can be on 16, 17, okay, and 18 also. So it can't be after 18, but it can be 18. His sister correctly remembers that father's birthday is before 28, but after 17th of the April. So it's after 17 before 28. So it can be 18 or 19 according to the sister. So on which day of the April was definitely of their father. So we have to find the matching date between these both. So 16 is not there in the second one, 17 is not there in the second one, 18 is there here, 18 is there here, 19 is not there in the first one. So 18 is the common number. So 18th of April is the possible value for this given question. So option number B is the correct answer. Now let's find out MCQ number 5. The ages of Bhakti and Neil are in the ratio. Let's take it. Bhakti and Neil's ratios, ratio of their ages is 8:7. After 6 years, the ratio of their ages will be so after 6 years, that is B plus 6 by N plus 6, the ratio is 19 by 17. So what is the difference of their ages? So here if you find out the value, let's solve the second equation. The resultant will be 17B plus 17 into 6 is equal to 19N plus 19 into 6. Okay, this is the resultant value of the second equation. Now let's find out. I'm writing it once again for the ease of understanding. B by N, it's nothing but 8 by 7. Okay, but let's find out the second equation first. So after 6 years, B plus 6 by N plus 6 is nothing but, the ratio is given as 19 by 17. So if you calculate this, 17B plus 17 into 6 is nothing but 102. 19N plus 19 into 6 is nothing but 114. Okay, if you further solve this equation, you will get it as 17 into B is nothing but 8N by 7. As per from the first equation, I found out that B is nothing but 8N by 7 plus 102 is equal to 19N plus 114. Okay, let's further solve it. Okay, 17, the last step is nothing but 17 into 8N by 7 minus 19N is equal to 12. This is what we have got. Okay, 17 into 8 is nothing but 136N minus 19 into 7 is nothing but 133N is nothing but 12 into 7, its value is 84. Into 14, 7 1 is 7, so 84. Okay, 136 minus 133N is 3N is equal to 84. 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24. So value of N is 28. So let's write it. Value of N is 28. And first equation was B by N is nothing but 8 by 7, right? So let's substitute this value here. B by 28 is nothing but 8 by 7. 7 1s are 7 4s are 28. B is nothing but 32. Value of B is 32 and value of N is 28. They have asked the difference of their ages. 32 minus 28 is nothing but 4. So option A, that is 4 years gap, is nothing but the answer for the question number 5. That is it for today's video. I hope so you have enjoyed this video. So please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. We'll come up with another plums episode tomorrow again. Keep smiling, take care, and bye-bye.